PCPartPicker, when will external SSD prices goes down? What's the best time to buy a new one? The trend for external SSD prices in 2024 indicates that prices are expected to increase due to a surge in NAND flash prices. This rise is attributed to a decrease in production and an increase in demand, particularly from the AI sector and for gaming storage requirements. As a result, the prices of NAND chips used in SSDs are predicted to jump by 50% over the coming months. Given this trend, it's challenging to predict a specific time when prices will go down. However, historically, the best times to buy SSDs are during major sales events such as Black Friday/Cyber Monday and Amazon Prime Day. These events often feature significant discounts on tech products, including SSDs. Black Friday usually occurs in late November, and Amazon Prime Day typically happens in July, with the possibility of a second event in October. If you're looking to purchase an external SSD, it might be wise to monitor prices leading up to these sales events. Retailers may also offer discounts at other times, so it's beneficial to stay alert for any promotions or deals throughout the year. For now, with prices on the rise, it might be best to wait for these sales events to get the most value for your money. Keep an eye on tech deal websites and newsletters as well, as they can alert you to flash sales and price drops that aren't always widely advertised.